Nice Freightliner coming in this morning. Back up a little bit. We got us a Kenworth coming out of parking. Clean Kenworth at that. Nice lights along the side, you can see. Nice look. Making this turn, which means he's heading on up here to fuel up. This is the fuel bay up here, or the scales where the truckers weigh. Always got to be careful because there's trucks. This is a tight parking lot. A lot of trucks on this parking lot. You want to continue on the road and not get caught in any kind of a mishap out here. We'll watch him all the way till he turns in to fuel up out here. Just gonna swing out a little bit.